Pick up the body of the bob weight, align the screws with the notches for mounting, and tighten the 2 screws with a small hex screwdriver until they don't budge. Put on the plastic cover and the metal cover. Use the largest screws and tighten the screws with a large hex screwdriver until they don't budge. Slowly pick up the main arm, being careful not to knock the main arm against the guiding arm. With the main arm at 90 to the bob weight, tighten the adjustment button until it won't budge. Align the notches and install the protection plates. Note that the main arm connector position should be between the upper and lower protection plates. Using the smallest size screws, tighten the screws with a small hex screwdriver until they do not budge. Align the holes in the handpiece holder with the holes in the main arm, and using a medium screw, tighten the screw with a small hex driver until it won't budge. Aligning grooves, plug in cable at top of laser arm until tight. Screw handpiece into guiding arm and tighten it. Align the arrows and connect handpiece cables into guiding arms. Place handpiece into plastic holder. Take out the dust cover. Screw laser entrance into the machine. Place locking plate over the laser entrance and screw into place until tight. Place main arm into laser exit window at point. Screw main arm locking plate onto laser exit window. Aligning grooves, plugging in cables from main arm into machine. Laser arm installation completed. Main arm and handle can be operated at multiple angles. Connect foot pedal cable to rear of the machine and tighten it clockwise. Ensure the connection is firmly secure. Place a water container under the outfall. Unscrew the vents. Water inlet outfall. The water flows out automatically until it runs out. Tighten all nuts. Remove the screw caps of the water inlet and vent, and place a water container under the water outlet. Connect the soft end of the water pipe to the water inlet and pour the water into the machine. Carefully pour distilled water into the funnel. Lift the funnel above the machine to facilitate filling. Water will flow out of the vent when it is full. Open the magnetic cover. Remove the old filter. Follow the direction of the arrow. Install the new filter and close the magnetic cover.